Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can check who has read your messages in a group in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get down to our topic. And to begin with, please open the WhatsApp app. After that, go to the chat section at the bottom and select the group where you would like to check such information. Next, friends, you will need to tap and hold on any particular message that you have sent. Click Hold. It can be absolutely any message, photo, video, audio, text message, emoji, whatever. And here, folks, when you select that message, you're going to see a little menu like this at the bottom, and this is where you're going to select the information. And when you open the information, down here at the bottom, you'll see a list of names that have read this message. So you can check who has viewed, who has read, and who has not read your post in a particular group. Friends, with this very simple method, you can easily check who is reading your messages in a WhatsApp group. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. Take care.